Want to fix your manifesting, guys? You need to watch this video. This is the Manifesting Show with Jana and Ben, and today we are talking about all things manifesting. And this is where I get to ask Jana questions about manifesting. Jana, you have no idea, as usual, what's coming, do you?
No clue, no clue. You never tell me. I never ask. I'm being a good girl. I want
I
it to be a
know,
surprise. I,
I
I
know.
like challenges, so I like to be challenged.
And
So,
I like to
you
be
know,
mean, so
makes
it
me
works
think
well.
on the spot, which is okay. You keep me on my toes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's right. So the question I've got for you today, Jana, is to do with blocks, specifically subconscious blocks. I've got a
Okay.
friend who,
Mm.
for many years now, has been trying different manifesting techniques, and he has this real block around money in particular.
Okay.
He's done a lot of work on it, and he got to a point where he thought that he'd cracked it, but he's still not seeing any tangible results. The question is that he's asked me is how do you know that you've got a subconscious block if the very nature of it is subconscious? And what can you do to clear it and to sort it out? So how do you identify it and then how do you dissolve it?
Okay. That's going to be a little longer discussion. Um, if your subconscious mind was all right and
Hmm.
all healed and there were no hang-ups, meaning blocks or traumas or whatever, you'd have results, period.
Yeah.
So people can tell me all sorts of stuff. I've been doing this for 10 years or 9 years or 20 years and I've cleared everything. I'm still not manifesting. No, you haven't. And I'll prove it to you in 3 seconds flat. You cannot, but there's laws of physics and math, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, your results, all I need to see is your results. I don't need to know your subconscious mind. When I see your results, they're equal to the state of your subconscious mind, period.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can tell me all day long that you resolved everything and you've been doing this for a long time, and I'll be like, okay, yeah, whatever. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's how it is. I didn't make it up. I didn't invented this. I'm
Yeah.
just reproducing and telling you how it works. So if you have no results, you need to work on your subconscious mind. There's something you're missing. And absolute majority of you, absolute majority, actually everyone I ever talked to had blocks which they never saw coming.
Yeah. Yeah.
Never saw coming. And I can tell you from experience with, I sort this out daily with people.
Hmm.
So I've seen quite a few people, you could say. There's one person who had a rough idea, and all the other hundreds and thousands of people had absolutely no clue. But they all been telling me I've been doing this for.
Yeah. Yeah.
um, and I can tell you right now that 95, 98% of the time, it's not money blocks which are blocking you.
That was going to be
The-
my next question. Is
Ah,
it directly related to money, or could it be something completely
it is something
unrelated?
completely different in absolute
Okay,
majority of the cases.
right.
Absolute majority of the cases. It has nothing to do with money whatsoever. So that you cleared your money blocks, I could probably still find some that, maybe not
Yeah.
money, but general abundance and, general life where you'd be failing. But even if you did all of them 100%, there is many, many, many other blocks. Like um, I have really, I'm scared to succeed. I'm scared to fail. I
Yeah.
don't want to do better than my parents because I don't want to hurt them and be ungrateful. I don't want to succeed because what if I walk into a pub, I have money and everyone wants me to pay for
Mm.
them. I
Yeah.
don't want to lose friends because all of a sudden, like, look at John, he got money, nya, 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 nya. You know, you know how people can be.
Yeah.
Um, it could be billions of reasons. It could also be that someone put you down when you were five. It all could also be the biggest reason is people were abused
Mm.
and physically, emotionally, and the last one, and we all know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
the biggest one.
Yeah.
Uh, and they have guilt. and
Mm.
they hate themselves secretly, and they have guilt, and they believe that they don't deserve it. All these things are the main reasons why you don't manifest anything you want,
Yeah.
and especially money,
Yeah.
because you're not deserving of it, because someone hurt you and you don't feel like a whole human being. You don't
Mm.
feel correct because major harm was done to you.
Yeah.
That's not very pretty, but it has to be sorted out. And yeah, and they're the easier ones, which are not abuse as such, but they're still pretty traumatic. um my mom said this, my dad did this, I was beaten, or I was they always put me down for all
Mm.
sorts of reasons, and they wanted me to succeed too much, and I'm like no, or didn't want me to succeed, and I'm like no. you know
Yeah, because I mean that's like my friend. He said that he had a very happy childhood. He'd never had any real sort of major traumas. He said, but I've got a block somewhere. I just don't know what it is and where it's coming from. He
it
did
could
have,
be.
I know that he did have a very successful father. So it could be that I don't know, maybe he's trying to live up to that or
I cannot live up to my father. My
yeah.
father had expectations, and I'm failing, and I'm scared, and I'm scared that I won't do as well as, and I'm scared that he will stop loving me.
Mm.
I'm scared that I'm not good enough. I'm scared that I'm not good as him. All sorts of stuff. I'm scared to upset him by being better because he may stop liking me.
Mm.
All sorts of stuff. All
Yeah.
sorts of stuff. It goes as far as if I start business to make money, I will die because my father died when he was 50, and because he was working so hard at his business.
Mm.
Or my parents were fighting about money, and I don't want to have money, so because I don't want to fight with anyone.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so it is like indirect money block. It's not
Yeah.
like I love money, but indirectly there is a meaning to it. You attach to money, um, which is stopping you. But usually it has to do more with your personality
Mm.
and your traumas than the money as such.
Yeah.
And you will not see it coming. And the thing is that it can also be not your thing, but it could be your parents or grandparents or great grandparents block, which you carry in your
Right. Okay.
DNA.
Yeah.
There are people who say past lives. Why not?
Yeah.
So,
Ancestral.
but it's easy for me to figure that out. It's ridiculously easy. Wow, it's actually a big problem. And it needs to be removed. So yes,
Mm.
I've been there, done that. I've done it with myself. I've done it with clients, and it's always something else than you would ever expect.
Yeah.
As I said, there's one client who was aware. It was I know money. My parents fought every time I don't want to have money, but it didn't know how to remove it correctly. But everyone else I ever talked to did not see coming what I was going to tell them.
Yeah.
Last time yesterday, no, I thought I was okay. No, you're not. Really? I thought I was doing it right my whole life. I thought I was excellent. And it was like, no, you're really bad at
That's exactly the situation that my friend's in. He said to me, he said, I've done so much work over the past few years and I feel like I've done everything right, but it's just not clicking into
You
place.
need to send him over,
Yeah,
clearly,
yeah. I said to him, I
because
said, well, it could well be that it's got nothing to do with money.
it probably will be, because if he truly went, there's like, I don't know, 110 money blocks. If
Mm.
he went through every one of them and he doesn't have it, then it's something else.
Yeah,
And it has to do with it could be about how I like myself, how I don't like myself, what I think of people, what I think of economy, what I think of my parents, what I
yeah,
think of it, all sorts of stuff. It
yeah.
doesn't have to do. And you don't also, oh my God, there's so many clients who don't remember.
Mm.
They're totally blocked. I talk to them, and I talk to their subconscious mind, and like I see darkness, I see blank dark page or in front of me. Like, okay, here we go again. They blocked it. It was so horrible that the subconscious mind blocked it, so they cannot access it. And I have to
Right.
unblock it. It takes
Yeah,
me a couple of seconds. I have to unblock it, and then they find out what it was. It's usually pretty horrible, but at least it's removed.
Yeah. Yeah.
I help them to deal with it correctly, so it's a relief and not a burden.
Yeah.
And and everyone's excited because everyone's upset that they don't know what's stopping them.
Mm.
So, everyone leaves the sessions uplifted and relieved because they released something and they finally know that was it. And now I can live, thank
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
Now I can do it. I knew my whole life I couldn't put my finger on it. I knew it. I feel it. There's something wrong. I have no clue what it is. Probably there's no water on Mars. You know, there's something wrong, and they find out. And
Yeah.
so yeah, 98% has nothing to do with money.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you need to, guys, by the way, I'm gonna put link for my 3 hour breakthrough bashing subconscious session where I removed this. It's a spectacular. The results I can get is worth of you going to therapy for 20 to 30 years in 3 hours only. And also my Manifesting HQ, which you're part of,
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
a membership site. It's absolutely awesome. Daily tips, daily videos, daily everything. And you get to see our show ahead of everyone else on YouTube. So you need to be a part of it. It's great fun and it's very, very helpful.
Yeah.
People, I get great feedback. So link will be in the description of the video. Yeah. So this is it. Yeah. So guys, just know that it can be removed and know that absolute majority of you have no clue what's stopping you. And
Mm.
but it's not the end of story. It can be removed easily.
Yeah.
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 Anything else you have for me today?
There is, but not for today. This is for next week.
For next week.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Fantastic. Thank you, Ben. Thank you, guys. We'll see
Thank
you
you.
soon. Yeah, we'll see you
Yeah. Thank
next
you,
week.
Jana.
Thanks.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
guys.
Bye.